As you know, there are three theory assignments, that is OVA 001, OVA 002, and OTH 001. These are the three theory assignments which are supposed to be submitted on or before 15th December 2020 as per the university rule. So I hope you people have downloaded the assignments from the student zone. If somebody has not downloaded yet, we have already forwarded these assignments in the group also. All the assignments which I myself have downloaded and forwarded in the group. You can check the messages in the group, the old messages. You can download them. And I have already forwarded the study material also. If some people are not received the study material, उससे पहले ही मैं स्टडी मटेरियल भी आपको डाउनलोड करके इसमें फॉरवर्ड किया था पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में. नाउ गो थ्रू दोज असाइनमेंट्स, रीड देम प्रॉपरली. उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करना है तो आपको उस क्वेश्चंस को उस स्टडी मटेरियल पढ़ के उसके हिसाब से यू नीड टू आंसर देम. ओके, दैट इज फॉर द theoretical part of it. Apart from theory, there are three practical courses. One is voice and speech, okay, and the other one is movement, and the final one is the method acting, or the psychological aspects of acting. These three. So as far as the voice and speech is concerned, I have forwarded the voice and speech assignments. वॉइस एंड स्पीच का जो कुछ स्पीचेस मैंने ग्रुप में फॉरवर्ड किया है, उन स्पीचेस में आपको द लास्ट क्लास आई हैव टेस्टेड some of the speeches. Some of you have performed either poetry or the monologue. But now I want you people to prepare a poetry or a monologue. That is left to you. A poetry or a monologue. Make a audio part of it. No video. Audio part of it, and just forward it to the mail ID, which you know it. That is nothing but the cpatha@igno.ac.in. Okay, cpatha@igno.ac.in. 15th के अंदर अगर आप ऑडियो भेज देंगे तो उसके बाद मूवमेंट और जो साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ एक्टिंग के बारे में फिर मैं डिस्कस करूंगा. उसमें आई विल गिव यू सम टास्क. ओके, आई विल अगेन गिव यू सम टास्क बिकॉज मूवमेंट के ऊपर मैंने बहुत सारा काउंसलिंग सेशंस किए हैं ऑलरेडी. आई हैव डन इनफ सेशंस फॉर द मूवमेंट. टू रिब्रश अगेन वी विल डू एटलीस्ट वन सेशन और कपल ऑफ सेशंस ऑन मूवमेंट. After 1 or 2 sessions, I will again ask you to people to do some exercises. Based on those exercises, we will be giving you some tasks. उस task के आधार पर you have to make some video this time, because movement and psychological aspect of acting audio नहीं हो सकता, उसका video बनेगा. जितना भी टाइम होगा उसको वीडियो बना के फिर मैं एक टाइम फ्रेम दूंगा उसके लिए. After 15th December, most probably we'll meet on 15th December because couple of days are only left. I'll give you time for doing this assignment part of it for both practical and theory, so that you can complete your assignment on or before 15th, so that you can send it. Okay. उसको पहले मुझे A4 मैंने पहले भी बताया था आपको, OVA1, OVA2, OTH001 को आप A4 शीट में आंसर करेंगे. A4 शीट में आंसर करेंगे और आपको उसको स्कैन करिए और तीनों असाइनमेंट एक ही मेल में मुझे जो मेल आईडी दिया गया है उसको मेल कर दीजिए मेरे रिकॉर्ड के लिए. और इसके बाद शायद हो सकता है कि रीजनल सेंटर पीपल, द इग्नो अथॉरिटीज विल आस्क यू पीपल टू अपलोड दीज असाइनमेंट्स. दे विल गिव ए लिंक. वो बाद में होगा. जब भी होगा उसका लिंक मैं आपको शेयर करूंगा, या फिर आप खुद भी देख सकते हो स्टूडेंट जोन में, आपको भी मैसेज आ जाता है. तो उसको फिर आपको वहां पे अपलोड करना पड़ेगा. मतलब 2 जगह आपके असाइनमेंट्स रिकॉर्ड होंगे. एंड जैसे आपके रिकॉर्ड में आ जाएगा, आप आपके असाइनमेंट्स उनके रिकॉर्ड में भी आ जाएगी, नो अथॉरिटीज, दे विल फॉरवर्ड इट टू मी अगेन. See, these are the learners who have done their assignments now. And one more important announcement is that the assignments are very important, because unless, as a rule, if you are not doing any assignment, you may not be able to go for the final examinations, because that is the rule of the university. If you see the while filling the question, exam form also, they will be asking whether you have submitted your assignments or not. Yes or no. Yes or no, they will be asking. But now
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you tick yes and you fill it, the form, but don't forget to do the assignment, because you will be caught. Because आपके पीछे मैं भी हूं, तो I will also be caught. बिकॉज ये दोनों पकड़े जाएंगे कहीं ना कहीं. इसलिए अच्छी बात है वो ये होगी कि यू विल बी डूइंग असाइनमेंट्स, बोथ थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल. प्रैक्टिकल का भी आप असाइनमेंट करेंगे, तभी आपको फाइनल एग्जाम में, मुझे क्योंकि मेरे पास रिकॉर्ड रहेगा, यू विल बी मेलिंग इट टू मी, है ना. योर रिकॉर्ड्स विल बी देयर विथ मी. सो प्लीज डू ऑल द असाइनमेंट्स, बोथ थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल. थ्योरी के लिए तो मैंने टाइम दे दिया 15 तारीख तक. प्रैक्टिकल का एक प्रैक्टिकल ऑडियो का आप कर दीजिए 15 के पहले, 15 दिसंबर को. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे मूवमेंट और साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट. 2 प्रैक्टिकल का असाइनमेंट बचता है, उनको फिर हम धीरे धीरे इस महीने एंड तक कंप्लीट करेंगे. लेट अस से बेबी ऑन और बिफोर 20th एक ऐसा जो हो जाएगा, या 25th, या लेट अस से 31st. ओके. या आई एम ओनली ऑडिबल because I am photogenic this time, so only audio is coming. I will appear at the end of the session, don't worry. So that is one part of it. I hope you people now very much clear about what you are supposed to do in coming up 2 or 3 days, on or before 15th of December. I hope I am clear from my side. If there is any doubt, one by one, I will try to answer. Any questions? I'm ready to take. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Jay, Asmita.
Sir, I've sent. Hanji, sir. Sir, I've sent my assignment. Have you got that? I have emailed that my assignments.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
if you have
sir.
sent it, it's fine. In the group, see, on 15th December, after checking the records, I will just type all the names who have submitted their assignment. अस्मिता ने कर दिया, तुषार ने कर दिया, टेक्विकी ने कर दिया, जो भी मेरे को आएंगे ना, उनके नाम मैं ग्रुप में टाइप कर दूंगा. By this time I have received assignments from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, जो भी होगा मैं आपका वो दे दूंगा, वो रिकॉर्ड. उस रिकॉर्ड से हम चेक कर लेंगे, काउंटर चेक कर लेंगे. If there is any issue, we will get back to you. Would you please repeat what you have submit for audio, speech, practical assignment? Anjali, I have forwarded some speeches in the group. उसमें से you have to pick up one, what do you mean, say, one poetry or one monologue. I have forwarded some Hindi. You can select in English also. There is no problem. You can select any English monologue. Because of time constraint, I am not able to procure the speeches in English. I am not able to find out. अगर आज नाइट तक लेट इवनिंग ऑल्सो अगर होता है, तो मैं अगर कुछ कोशिश करता हूँ कि I'll try my level best to forward some of the English monologues also in the group, so that it will be helpful for you. Yeah. Any other question from any?
Good evening, sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, Nagesh this side. Sir, just one query. Actually, in OVA 002, there are like 2 questions, I would say, whose answer are exactly not there in the study material. So we can just.
Questions?
Questions are like this. First is this one, sir. Write on any of the folk theatre form of India. So the detail is not available there on any of the specific folk theatre.
But in OTH 001, you observe there are some ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट फॉर्म्स के बारे में उसमें दिया है, जैसे आंकिया
Yes,
नाट,
sir.
तमाशा, आप देखिए ना,
Yes, sir.
OVA 1 में नहीं
Certain
मिला तो
हाँ जी,
OTH
sir.
में ले लो,
Kutiyalam.
It's
OTH
okay,
में
na,
है ना.
that's the asking, sir. Or we can just gather information from other source material as well, and then we can
That is
write.
not an issue. See, study material is only a basis. OTH में
It's
है
okay, na, sir.
ना.
That's what I just wanted to know. It's okay, na, sir.
It's okay, it's okay. That's what I'm saying ना. Any
Okay,
folk
sir.
theater मैं मांग रहा हूँ तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. OTH 00 में वो मिले. प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि ना OVA 1 प्रिपेयर करने वाला बंदा अलग है, OVA 2 प्रिपेयर करने वाला बंदा अलग है, OTH प्रिपेयर करने वाला बंदा अलग है. असाइनमेंट समझ रहे हैं ना. वो इसमें
Yes, sir.
कोरिलेशन का जो प्रॉब्लम होता है कहीं कहीं.
Okay,
That's
sir.
what. Yeah,
Okay, no
maybe,
problem.
that is the issue. From other resources, internet से भी आप ले सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं है. Any folk theatrical form of you in your own region, if you know some name, you can
Yes, sir.
search for that and उसको study करके वो question के हिसाब से उसको कर दो. Anjali, you have to just choose a speech or a poem and record it and submit. That's all for audio. और ये जो voice and speech के लिए, you're right. Yeah, but don't select. My request is, please don't select a poem or a poetry which is written by you people. That is a strict instruction. अपना खुद का लिखा हुआ साहित्य मत भेजिएगा, उसको ना सेलेक्ट कीजिएगा, उसमें कुछ दिक्कतें आती है, समझ रहे हैं ना. बिकॉज बहुत दुनिया में बहुत सारे चीजें ऑलरेडी लिखी गई है, उनको पहले देख लें. हाँ, बाद में हमारे पास हम अपने खुद के ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. बट ऐसा भी होता है ना कि ये ग्रुप में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो लिख सकते हैं अच्छा, मैं मान रहा हूँ, मगर अभी उसमें क्या होता है कि we cannot be judgmental about our own work if it is written or created by us own. So उसमें थोड़ा रहता है, तो don't select such things. Please select which is already famous or which is already available in the resources. Okay. Yeah. Any other question? Any other question? So
Sir, we have to write 3 theory papers like OTH 001, OVA 001, and OVA 002 at the TAMED examination.
Yeah, torment. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. थ्री जो असाइनमेंट्स थ्योरी के लिख रहे हैं ना आप, उसके टर्मेंट भी होता है क्या, उसमें टर्मेंट का भी होता है. जैसे टर्मेंट में भी 3 पेपर आपको लिखने होंगे, OVA 1, OVA 2, OTH 001. ये 3 पेपर थ्योरी के होते हैं और 3 पेपर प्रैक्टिकल के होते हैं, जो हम प्रैक्टिकल ऑनलाइन कंडक्ट करते हैं. उसके बारे में मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. Yes, Anjali, if you have selected any speech, उसको आप पढ़ेंगे, उसको मॉड्यूलेट करेंगे, उसको पंक्चुएट करेंगे, and then you will try to identify in what kind of a situation this speech is being spoken. Then you will practice it and then record it and just send it to me. Yeah, because it is sufficient. If you already sent it, it's okay. Anjali, okay, right. Yeah. Neha, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir. So in my examination form that I was filling, sir, in that there is a question which is given, are you a PWD candidate? So PWD candidate क्या होता है सर?
ये फिजिकली जो होते हैं ना लोग, फिजिकली उनका कोई डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पीपल है ना,
फिजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड.
Okay.
फिजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड, चैलेंज्ड, नॉट हैंडीकैप्ड.
फिजिकली चैलेंज्ड पीपल है ना, उसके बारे में शायद वो रेगुलर यूनिवर्सिटी का जो पैटर्न होता है उसमें मांगते हैं, तो उसके लिए है.
दूसरा सर कोर्स कोड्स भी मांग रहा है, वो जो एग्जामिनेशन कोड्स हैं, तो उसमें वो कोर्स कोड्स मांग रहा है which if you have appeared, तो हमें ये सारे जो OVA 1, OVA 2 ये वाले हैं, ये सारे के सारे डालने हैं हमें, राइट?
हाँ, OVA 1, OVA 2, OTH 001 और प्रैक्टिकल के जो कोर्सेस होंगे वो उसमें डिस्प्ले नहीं होंगे. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट.
We just have to put OVA 1, OVA 2 and OTH 001.
That's all.
Okay, that's that.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question? Yeah. So if I'm clear, so please do your assignment. Theory के जो 3 assignment हैं, OVA1, OVA2, OTH 001, 15 तारीख तक लिख के उनको स्कैन करके cpatha@igno.ac.in को मेल कर दीजिए। उसके साथ साथ 15 तारीख या 15 तारीख से पहले एक ऑडियो जिसमें पोयम भी हो सकता है या मोनोलॉग भी हो सकता है, उसको आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और मुझे भेजेंगे। That is, I'm clear about. And again on 15th of December, again I am going to conduct in the evening, late evening. Maybe I'll do on 16th. That would be better, you know, because people will be in the late night तक चलेगा ना ये तो। मेरे जैसे कोई लेट लतीफ होंगे तो उनका डेट तो 12 बजे तक चलता है, तो I will wait for the 15th. Okay. Then on 16th, I will conduct a counseling session, including all the names who have submitted the assignments and all that stuff, and further instructions. जो movement के लिए कुछ exercises counseling करेंगे। Prabhuda can use background mission. यार उसका तुम जो better, whatever you want to do it ornamentally, you can do it. There is no hard and fast rule. But I'll be looking mainly about how you are going to perform in that speech. उसमें context क्या था, how best you have doing it, how best you understand the meanings of the words, and how best you are using the past, punctuation, full stop, comma, question mark, if at all there is there, or whatever the interpretation you are giving to that speech. I'll be more interested into that. Okay, that is what I'm saying. If you want to use music, you can do it, no issue. ये आपका काम है, आपका काम बढ़ेगा. You have to look into that. Yeah. कुडियाट्टम is a Sanskrit folk theatre. Sanskrit folk theatre कुछ नहीं होता है. जब you say Sanskrit, it won't be a folk theatre form. It will be a classical theatre form. Okay. Once you say, for example, tamasha or nautanki, yeah, इस तरह के जो art forms है, they are called as folk theatrical form. Once you say yakshagana, kudiyattam, ankhyanat, krishnattam, mohiniyattam, all these are classical theatrical forms. There is a difference between folk theatrical forms and a classical theatre forms. One day we will discuss those things. Okay, definitely we will talk about that, because I thought these study material are self-learning material. We will call them SLM in short form, self-learning material. They don't need any person to teach you about that. There is not much to be discussed in the study material which is supplied to you people, because we thought we made it very simple. We haven't discussed any complicated theories about that. That is only an information we have given. Bihar ka, yeah, Videshya is also folk theatre form. Nach is also folk theatre form. I agree. Yeah, they have certain elements into that. We talk about folk theatre. They have some certain elements which are there invariably will appear, by which we can differentiate the classical form and the folk theatrical form. Okay, Jatra is a more of a folk theatrical form. It is not classical. Yeah, so I hope you people are now well versed whatever I'm talking about today. If still there is any doubt, it is a very short counseling session today. I thought of completing it in a half an hour or so, because I'm just here to post you the information. I think you people are who are there in this counseling session are very much clear about what you are supposed to do. Let me repeat once again. You have to submit 3 theory assignments, that is OVA1, OVA2 and OVA3. You have to written on A4 paper and then scan them, and 3 assignments in one mail you have to mail me. That is one work you are going to do. The second one is about the audios which you are supposed to submit me for as an assignment for voice and speech, which I have already forwarded some of the speeches. I'll try to forward some of them English speeches in the group in the late evening, maybe today, so that they will be helpful for the people who are not well versed with Hindi, or the people who have some issues in doing some Hindi. Okay, but I still prefer you people, if you try, give a try. If you know how to read Hindi or understand, you can understand, then better you do Hindi. It will be better. Otherwise, you can take the English also. There is no issue. Okay. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All the best, guys. You practice karo, fir send it. Okay. See you on
Later.
Anjali.
Thank you,
you have a
sir.
question?
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
How
sir.
many pages do you want us to write for 10 marks?
Good night.
Oh, Anjali, उसमें दिया है. You see the word count दिया है.
Hello,
Again,
sir.
depends on you how you take it, ना? No issue.
So it's
No
written
problem.
10 marks. That's all there is. I'll have to
10 marks
say
के लिए
word
कितना
count
you assume
is
करो,
okay.
थोड़ा बहुत लिखो ना. No problem.
So like
Yeah.
5
You
pages.
just
10
imagine.
pages,
But कुछ questions के ऊपर हमने word limit भी दिया है, if I remember. You just please check. Huh?
So I couldn't find it anywhere. That's it.
Okay, no issue.
The 250 words. It is mentioned.
Short answer. See,
Why is it in there, sir?
there is a short answer questions and long answer questions. 10 marks means long answer question है, उसको
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
उसके हिसाब से लिखो, है ना? No problem. ठीक है?
So 250 words for 10 marks, is it?
Yeah. No, अब तुम देख लेना उसमें 10 marks के लिए कितना. So not very short or not too long for 10 marks. Okay? But sir, it is not possible for folk theatre and heritage building. What you are saying, Prabhuda? I don't get you.
हेलो
Prabhuda is there? Yeah. क्या बोल
यस
रहे
सर
हो? हाँ.
सर एक्चुअली फोक थिएटर में जैसे हमारे राजस्थान में जो है
हम्म,
गवरी एक फोक आर्ट फॉर्म है
हम्म.
काफी लंबा था मैंने उसको भेजा हुआ है इसलिए मैंने पूछ रहा था सर
अच्छा.
हाँ
No
और
problem.
एक जो ओके सर
No
ओके
problem. No problem. No problem.
ओके
We'll take
थैंक
it.
यू वेरी मच सर
Yeah.
ओके सर
Thank you guys. Good day. Good night. Take care.